Protocol of chloroplast isolation. The chloroplast is an important organelle found in plant cells that conduct photosynthesis. It is enclosed by a pair of closely spaced membranes, the double membrane envelope, consisting of the inner membrane bounding the matrix or stroma and the outer membrane in contact with the cytoplasm. Chloroplasts are the best starting material for studies of chloroplastic processes such as carbon assimilation, electron flow and phosphorylation, metabolic transport, or protein targeting. The chloroplast fraction can be further extracted to obtain membrane, stroma, or thylakoid proteins as well as chloroplastic DNA and RNA. Principle. In chloroplast isolation method, first the cell wall is broken mechanically using a blender or homogenizer and then subjected to filtration to remove the unbroken leaf tissue and the cellular debris. The chloroplasts are collected by centrifugation using a Precautions gradient, which is a form of density gradient centrifugation on the modified silica Sol Precautions. Precautions gradient separator works on the principle of isopycnic separation. In this type of separation, a particle of a particular density will sink during centrifugation until a position is reached where the density of the surrounding solution is exactly the same as the density of the particle. Once this quasi-equilibrium is reached, the length of centrifugation does not have any influence on the migration of the particle and thus can be separated. Materials required. Spinach leaves 30 grams. Scissors. Blenders and homogenizers. Muslin cloth. Centrifuge tubes. Pipettes. Cooling centrifuges. Spectrophotometer. 1x chloroplast isolation buffer without BSA, 0.33 m sorbitol, 0.1 m tris ClPH 7.8, 5 mm MgCl2, 10 mm NaCl, 2 mm EDTA. 1x chloroplast isolation buffer with BSA, 0.1% with V. 40% per col, 4 ml per col and 6 ml 1x CIB buffer with BSA to make 10 ml of 40% per col. Use 10 ml of 40% per col for 6 ml of chloroplast suspension. 80% acetone. Procedure. Take freshly harvested leaf, spinach, 35 g, wet weight. Remove the midrib veins of the leaves and dice into small segments, 1 cm in width. Immediately homogenize by blending for 2 seconds in 120 ml of buffer, pH 6.1, with BSA. Briefly filter the resulting homogenate through multiple layers of muslin cloth. Divide the filtrate into centrifuge tubes and centrifuge at 2500 xg for 70 seconds at 4 degrees Celsius. Transfer the supernatant into chilled centrifuge tubes and centrifuge at 1000 xg for 7 minutes. A green pellet will be obtained. Discard the supernatant and break the greened pellet gently by finger tapping. Resuspend the pellet in 2 ml of 1x CIB buffer with BSA and mix gently by pipetting up and down. Pull the suspended pellet into 1 centrifuge tube. Carry out gradient centrifugation in per col. Preparation of 40% per col layer. Mix 4 ml per col with 6 ml of 1x CIB buffer with BSA. Gently overlay 6 ml of the chloroplast suspension over this 40% per col layer. Centrifuge at 1700 xg for 6 minutes. Carefully remove the upper layer of the chloroplast suspension, leaving only the pellet containing the intact chloroplast. Mix the pellet with 500 ul of 1x CIB buffer without BSA. Add the suspension in 80% acetone solution, 10 ul in 992 ul, mix and centrifuge at 3000 xg for 2 minutes. Take supernatant into a cuvette and measure the absorbance at 650 nanometers using 100 ul of 80% acetone as blank to estimate chlorophyll concentration if required. Expected result. The intact chloroplast sediments to the bottom of the tube after per col centrifugation as a green pellet. Broken chloroplast will form the upper layer.